wearing a cool jacket. Why? Because we're gonna be breaking in. They're looking good while I'm doing it because I'm outside. There's people. Look, I'm a professional. And new Shorty Q Baja. And this right here is my own really nice RC. What's up, Nitro Gang? I'm sweaty because I just ran 2 miles. What really matters is whether the Traxxas Revo 3.3 John Deere edition, right? It's a John Deere freaking tractor brand over here. Whether it fires up. Let's get some fuel in this, see if it starts. Here we go, guys. I got everything ready to go. Bones Brew 30% nitro, that's what I got. Let's remove the body, the John Deere special, right? First time putting fuel in here. I don't even know what's gonna happen. We're also gonna attempt to see if this glow plug wire, the original one, works. If it doesn't, we're just gonna use a regular glow starter. I'm gonna put in about half a tank to begin with. You never know how this winds up going. You just want it to basically start, and then we'll go from there. Radio system is on, right? Everything works. Steering. Let's prime the motor. This is the most important part. So I'm just gonna use my 2S LiPo. I don't have the battery that goes in here, but it doesn't matter. It still works. It's still fine. I'm gonna observe fuel in the fuel line. Let's see. Oh, and of course the one-way bearing, as the owner said, is bad. But guys, the fuel line is moving. That was enough. So I'm gonna have to replace the one-way bearing eventually. The owner did include it, but for now, let's just hope it starts. You know, you never know how this is gonna turn out. Yeah, this thing is slipping like right away. It's barely catching. Oh, caught a little bit. It might start. We'll see how it is. I'm not sure if this wire is working, so how about I just remove it now while I have this plugged in. Hopefully it just starts, right? Green LED indicator, glow plug is good. Let's do this. Oh yeah, so of course, this thing is not working. This thing is great. It should start. I hear it. I hear it. It's gonna fire, guys. It's gonna fire. Oh, yep, it almost did it. Oh yeah, baby. That's right. Raise the throttle trim. Oh, I need a little more, But it started. That's right, baby. That is nice. Gotta warm it up. Okay, well, positive results, guys. It started. Probably gotta lean it out a little. But it's starting, guys. It might be a bad glow plug because you notice as soon as I remove this, the idle falls a little bit. But it should start again, you know. Look at all that oil. Friggin' oil galore in here. Give it a little throttle. All right, guys, we're gonna take this Rustler, we're gonna stick it on the sand. It's running a 3S. This is the 4x4. Let's do a sand speed run. They just, what is this called? Graded the sand over here or something? What is this called? They used one of those cleaners. Yeah, they graded it, so it's gonna be straight. Oh, whoa, it's rocky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah. Yep, low voltage cutoff. Wide open run did it, guys. If this was a nitro, we'd probably be out of nitro fuel. But you know what? You could put more in the tank. Here we go, guys. I better be yelling 2-speed baby sometime in this video. This is the first attempt to see if the 2-speed actually shifts. It's really rich, but that's okay. That's how I like them. Like them rich, just like my president, you know? 2-speed, baby! Perfect stream of smoke down that line. I like it. Perfect engagement. I love it. We need a 10-speed on this. It can handle it. Gotta love the Revo chassis, guys. I love it. Such great acceleration, straight launch, perfect 2-speed shifting point. Of course, reverse elimination, that's why it's great. That scared me, guys. That scared me. It's gonna run out of fuel here in a couple seconds. I already don't really see that much fuel there in the tank. I'm just waiting to see if it leans out as it should towards the end. Hopefully we get it on camera. Come on, baby, lean out. You know you want to do it. You know you want to do it. You know you want to go to AC and gamble, right? Oh, talking about the wrong chick right now, sorry. It's leaning out, you can hear it. Yep, there it goes, and it died. So guys, that was a perfect lean out session. I think I heard it go for like maybe 4 seconds or so. That's how you know your low speed needle setting is correct. Now, of course, if you have a Traxxas, it's pretty much foolproof. It is supposed to be flush with the carb body. Now here, you can't really tell it's blocked, but it is flush. But for some of you that keep asking me, how do you tune your low speed needle setting on other nitros? This is how you do it. You gotta listen when it runs out of fuel. You could also pinch your fuel line like this. It's up to you. You should have it run for maybe about 4 to 5 seconds. As it leans out, the RPMs are gonna grow, and then it should shut down on its own. Exactly how you heard it happen right here. Tank is empty, 2-speed shifts, $150 John Deere Traxxas Revo is a win. More wearing a cool jacket. Why? Because we're gonna be breaking in. They're looking good while I'm doing it because I'm outside. There's people. Look, I'm a professional. And new Shorty Q Baja. And this right here is my own really nice RC. It has a steel wheelie bar because we have to put the battery pack in. It does not come with a battery. Nowadays, only Banggood, that's right. Really good for off-road use, really good for street use. Baja right here. Now, for now, I just have these drag to this included mixing container. It's already will give us a small amount of premix. It's good for a starter. Yeah, we need a breather on this, just like the Baja's fuel tank. Hold away because I'm gonna get some of this oil here and then we'll add a little bit more. Maybe the Banggood mixing jug is very good. First pull, first start, baby. Settings were ideal. I only slightly lowered. I probably will be changing to that myself. Steering is incredible. They're just trying to get me. They're jealous of my exhaust, baby. Oh, almost head on. Brakes are going fast. This is just, you know, RC chill mode over here. I'm gonna shut this thing down.